Every kitchen deserves a cookware upgrade, and this P&P CHEF 3-quart saucepan with lid promises to be the game changer you've been searching for. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a tri-ply base, this saucepan isn't just a tool, it's your trusted companion for versatile cooking. Whether you're simmering soups, preparing pasta, or even baking bread, the ergonomic design, superior heat distribution, and transparent lid make every cooking task effortless and enjoyable. Ready to revolutionize your culinary experience? Let's dive into an in-depth exploration of why this saucepan stands out among the rest. Number 1. Superior build quality for long-lasting use. The P&P CHEF 3-quart saucepan is constructed from food-grade stainless steel and features a tri-ply base combining stainless steel and aluminum. This ensures quick, even heating and rust resistance for long-term durability. The mirror-polished surface not only adds a touch of elegance, but also resists sticking, making cleanup a breeze. Key takeaways: healthy materials, free from toxic chemicals for safe cooking. Tri-ply base, efficient heat distribution saves time and energy. Number 2. Ergonomic design for user convenience. The hollow ergonomic handle is carefully designed to reduce weight and provide a comfortable grip. It stays cool to the touch and is secured with double rivets for enhanced stability. The lid's wide handle and built-in vent make handling safe and effortless. Why it matters: a lightweight design reduces hand fatigue. Stay-cool handles ensure safety during cooking. 3. Versatile cooking options. Compatible with induction, gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops, this saucepan adapts seamlessly to all your cooking needs. It's oven-safe without the lid, and perfect for tasks ranging from stewing vegetables to baking. Bonus use: the tri-ply base expands the heating surface, reducing cooking time and ensuring evenly cooked meals. Number 4. Transparent lid for easy monitoring. The tempered glass lid allows you to check on your cooking progress without lifting it. This feature locks in moisture and nutrients, enhancing the flavor and quality of your dishes. Benefits: retains heat for faster cooking, locks in flavors and nutrients for tastier meals. Number 5. Easy to clean and space-saving design. The mirror-polished surface is dishwasher-safe, making post-cooking cleanup hassle-free. A convenient hanging hole on the handle ensures easy storage, keeping your kitchen tidy and organized. What makes it stand out? The P&P CHEF 3-quart saucepan combines functionality with style. Its thoughtful design caters to both novice cooks and seasoned chefs, providing unmatched convenience and reliability. Warm tips for maintenance. 1. Wash with warm soapy water before first use. 2. Avoid using sharp tools to prevent scratches. 3. Dry thoroughly after cleaning to maintain its shine. 4. Use the pot in the oven without the lid. Why choose P&P CHEF? This saucepan isn't just cookware, it's a step toward better cooking. With its non-toxic materials, efficient heat distribution, and easy-to-clean design, the P&P CHEF saucepan embodies convenience, health, and elegance in one package. Conclusion: this P&P CHEF 3-quart saucepan with lid is more than just cookware. It's a meticulously designed kitchen essential that combines style, functionality, and durability. With its food-grade stainless steel construction, tri-ply base for even heat distribution, and ergonomic handle, it addresses every need of the modern home chef. Whether you're boiling pasta, simmering a hearty soup, or preparing a delicate sauce, this saucepan delivers consistent results with ease. Its transparent lid, designed for efficient monitoring, helps retain heat and lock in flavors, ensuring your dishes are as delicious as they are nutritious. The compatibility with all stovetop types, including induction, means you're not limited by your kitchen setup, and its oven-safe design, pot-only, adds versatility to your cooking options. Maintenance is a breeze with the mirror-polished surface that resists sticking and is dishwasher-safe. Add the thoughtful storage design, like the hanging hole on the handle, and this saucepan is as practical as it is elegant. If you value reliable cookware that enhances your cooking experience while elevating the look of your kitchen, the P&P CHEF 3-quart saucepan with lid is a worthy investment. Ready to transform your everyday cooking into an effortless and enjoyable experience? If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.